suit.
Copy. And the charger has a wire coming out of the plastic. Is that
Great.
my black back. Okay. Just be sure.
Alors,
I was with my customers, so I was talking with him, and boom, we heard two shots. 5 seconds between two shots. One small shot and one big shot with a sniper, because I see him from the windows. After, they took the doctor. They took the kids. They took her, and I cannot tell you the nationality. He don't say some things like nothing. He was just sitting. They come, they said, they come, they said, don't move. I think he tried to do some things, and they shoot him. Because I think the police don't shoot like that, for free. I think this is not, I know the policy in Belgium, I know some Englishmen in Belgium, they don't shoot like that direct.
In their uniforms, the heavy ones, the protective gear, and they use some type of oxygen.
Yeah, I think so.